Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to change the size and customize your fonts in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the display and brightness. Then scroll down and search for option name font settings. Click on it. And as you see, we have a preview here. So from now you can choose others fonts. There is a default, there is the one install font from here. There is some add. Oh, from here you can install the more fonts from here. Anyway, the size of font, there is a small. This is the XXLL, extra large, and there is the extra small. Yeah, so you can prefer to your own. And Missance, you can bold this font if you wish. Yep. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.